In family court, especially if there are children involved in the family law matters, there is one fundamental mantra that you have to get used to, that I have gotten used to. There's one fundamental yardstick that I have gotten used to. There's one fundamental question that needs to be asked in almost every aspect of the litigation, and that is it in the best interest of the children? Everything I do, everything I say, everything I ask for, it goes through this yardstick, this measure. Is it in the best interest of the children? Succeeding as a self-represented litigant in family law matters hinges on this important mantra. Is it in the best interest of the children? In every sentence you write, every request you make, every motion you make, it is very fundamental and strategic to prove that it is in the best interest of the children. Do that and the judge will accept it and be reasonable and be on your side too. Prove that the person, that the opposing party is asking for something that is not in the best interest of the children, and it's the best way that the judge is going to deny them that. Always, 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 in every aspect, especially if there are children involved in this family law matter, it is very important to ask yourself, is it in